We are at Grandma's and she's turned 100. In Australia, you get a letter from the King or Queen, and at the moment it's the King. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, see? Cheryl?
That's a governor of Queensland.
Hi, Grandma. Look how beautiful you are. How can you be nearly 101? Nearly now. Gorgeous. Yeah, see? Cheryl? It's nothing to be...
Look at that. That's awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is a matter of great pride for me to have the opportunity to mark this most significant of milestones with you today, albeit in the most unusual of ways. I would like, if I may, to wish a very happy and special 100th birthday.
Apparently they're all down in...
This is a letter from the King. It comes like this.
Half of him, I think.
How good is it?
Is that? Oh yeah, Anthony Albanese. He doesn't have a photo, but that is from the Prime Minister. Yeah. Wow. Look at all the things they send you.
Governor of Australia.
Governor of Australia.
So
This is from the Governor.
That's a governor of Queensland.
Governor of
And
Queensland.
there's
So Grandma is turning 100 and we are in Brisbane City for Riverfire, all the fireworks on the Brisbane City River, and we've got a unit for her to celebrate. One. And it's Riverfire. And that bridge will be lit up tonight. Good spot. There'll be a jet, fireworks. We'll be able to see it all from here. Grandma will be stoked. And we have another adjoining unit. It's Grandma's 100th.
You're skinny.
Hey?
Yes. Oh, what's that on the bed? Oh, 100 on the bed. And we got glow sticks, Grandma. Oh, wow. I hope someone's going to eat those because we can't eat. Oh, look at here. Glow sticks and chocolates. Happy birthday, Grandma. Oh my gosh.
Here it comes, mate.
Wow, look at it. He's coming straight. Oh, wow. He's coming straight for us. Yeah. That's... Oh. Big bruiser. So what sort of plane's that? Is
Like
it
an
an
army cargo kind of plane.
Yeah. Whoa. Hey, look, 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 look. Woo! Go, you good thing. Bravo. Jeez, I hope he doesn't run into anything. I hope he doesn't run into anything, Billy. It might get a bit forward. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh my God! Look at the afterburner. Go, you son of a thing. He's coming up over. Up. Oh, what's he doing?
Just filming all your yummy stuff, Grandma. And it's your birthday. And you are 100.
See the bridge now? It's different, isn't it?
Yeah. Gag's going to see him. She's going to put a tea up.
Oh, here she goes. Woohoo! Woohoo, there she goes. She. Oh, yeah. Woo. Woohoo. coming over close. Does it have it? I can't do it.
I'm looking at that green one.
Oh my gosh.
Golden. The green one doesn't even make it. The green one doesn't even make it.
Oh, look at the plane flying over. Imagine flying into Brisbane
Yeah.
and seeing that. I can't see the plane.
There it goes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, now I can see it.
Wow, I think the place is on fire.
Yeah, what about it? That's
Ooh, wowie. Ooh.
Oh, there's one ahead of
And
us.
they're shooting off at the top of this place too. Look up here, Cheryl.
Yeah.
Right up the top of this place. Oh,
That was what?
oh wiggly tiggly.
I thought she'd do like a big star.
Oh.
That's what fireworks do.
I can see the plane still over there.
Yo, how'd that spring off?
Something happened to go.
Look at the water. It's like the same.
Yeah.
Why is every single one like this place? Rainbow. All of that makes rainbow.
Mm.
Indigo has rainbow eyes, me. No, it isn't. Well, those
Something different's going to happen in a minute because all these are going down now. Way up there, an aeroplane will come through or something. Yep.
beep, 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 beep.
That's a phone. It's amazing not having all that loud noise. Like we've only got a bit of the noise and we're not outside. It's more special, isn't it?
Yeah, I
Oh, wow, look at the bridge.
And we can't smell anything.
Yes. The bridge is going berserk now, look.
That's even more. How does it go up?
Mm.
Yo, how's that one going so high? Whoa, that one's going straight up.
Right up to the sky.
It's like rockets.
Right, a rocket all right.
Wee. Some of them don't even pop. It's like popping apples and
Yeah.
popping peas out of the
Yeah.
floor.
Yeah. Oh, he's up to the sky. Look, big balls coming up from the beach.
It's like actually popping some peas out like in the
Yeah,
air.
yeah.
I'm popping like that. Like that.
at the bridge now, it's all different.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Happy 100th, Grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, Grandma.
Thank you, little babies.
Subscribe to watch new videos.
That's incredible. What's going on under the bridge? Is that going to blow up in a minute?
Is it like spaghetti?
Let's have a look,
I
Spaghetti.
want to just lay on my knees.
Oh, okay, yeah, good idea.
There's some stuff going on up here above the roof here all the time.
Maybe it's like
They must be letting it off the roof.
so when the other people see on the highest unit. I like fireworks.
I like it.
It's so lovely.
Where Eddie going off over there?
No. Yes.
When is something big gonna
corner.
Really? When is it?
Yeah.
Down there.
See you around the corner.
What's that? What's
Oh,
that?
yes.
Yeah.
Now's his better part.
Oh, hell yes.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Pretty balls coming up from the bridge now. Yeah. Cheryl. Red and green.
Why did I just
You're
go?
slipping off me.
That's pink and green.
Pink and green. Oh, it looks like red to me.
I don't go Some of them go in the water.
Mm.
What? This is even more fun. Something's gonna be. Is something gonna be bigger than us?
It's all happening now, Billy.
These are drones they're talking about.
It'll be after.
That later.
Where's the gold stuff? Wait, how'd they get green?
Yeah, give him a
look
clap,
at
Cheryl.
look
Good
at
on
the
you.
bridge now,
Yeah. Give him a clap. It's beautiful, isn't it, sweetheart?
I can actually smell the smoke.
Someone's fluffing. Oh, what's that heavy?
Oh, Billy, careful with Grandma.
Oh, squashing little Cheryl.
No, Baba.
Oh, Pinky, 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 Pinky.
Hey, Bill, you can have this bit here on the...
Billy, no.
Sit on my chair there, sweetheart. You sit down there.
Poor guy.
No, I've got
You
this
can have
bit.
this chair.
Right.
darling, I've got to get up.
Look, I can see it all, Nikki.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like Grandma?
Yep. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Dad can get there now.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want me to pull another chair in and put it here? Grandma, her leg's dead now.
We'll stand up for a while.
Poor Grandma.
We'll stand up for a while, huh? Yeah, see, we've been sitting for hours. That's, so you normally have your legs up at home too, don't you? When you recline. Big bum. Yeah.
Come sit over here, Grandma.
That's all right. We'll see what's going on around this corner. Oh, well, look out that window and you'll see. There's stuff going on down there too. I'm gonna go and clean the teeth. to go and clean your teeth if you don't watch it.
Uniforms gone. Why do you all like baby ones? I didn't usually do that.
So I wonder if that thing's supposed to be on fire that's on the platoon.
Oh wow!
Where?
There he is down there.
Yeah. See, it's on fire?
Oh my gosh, no.
Yeah, that's not meant to be on fire.
No, because the other one hasn't got anything on fire.
Oh, what are you doing?
Oh, wow.
Hopefully we're safe.
That's... oh, I'm sure we are.
Oh my gosh. We don't fight.
Bye bye, Bunny. See ya. And then down there, had to get.
Oh, wow, look at the bridge.
Yo, that dude just started running. That dude started running. Whoa. I never seen fireworks before. Yeah, you have. No, I don't. Yeah, you have. No, you don't. Yeah, you have. Don't bless you in my face. Is it that music?
Yes, I did hear the music.
Probably radio's black. Did you hear that?
Yes, the whirring noise.
No one's even doing that. Imagine being a bat and then when you see fireworks, you actually start I can actually feel it on the windows. Subscribe to watch new videos.
That was spectacular.
Yeah.
Listen, everyone cheer. Woo! We'll cheer too.
Holy dude.
That was excellent.
That was